Hey guys, today we're gonna draw a kid with a big mouth eating a whole pizza. And I'm using markers to draw and color with and marker paper to draw on, but you can always use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. First, let's fold our paper. We'll take the top edge, line it up with the bottom, and fold it down. Then we're gonna take the top flap and line the edge up with the top and then fold that down. Then we're gonna flip our paper over and repeat. We're gonna take that edge, line it up with the top and crease it down. This is just a guide fold, so we'll open this up and flatten it out. Then we can flip our paper over, and when we're all done, it should open up like this. Since I'm drawing with markers, I'm gonna use a scratch piece of paper underneath my drawing paper to protect the table. And now we're ready to draw our kid. Or you can change your kid so that it looks like you or somebody else that you want to draw. So you could add other details. You don't have to make it look exactly like mine. First, we're gonna draw the nose. We're gonna draw it right above the fold in the middle of our paper. And I'm gonna draw it about here. Then we can draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle and another circle. And I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside on the top left for the highlight. And then we'll color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And remember, if I ever go too fast or if we fast forward the video, you can pause for extra time, especially if you want to add more details. Okay, now for the face and the head. We're gonna draw a big letter U shape. We're gonna start here on the left and we're gonna draw it coming down, around. Oh, I got a really big chin. Okay, well, I'm just gonna keep going. We're gonna draw the big letter U so that half of the U is above the fold and the bottom is below the fold. We're gonna draw the mouth. So we can draw a line that goes straight across the fold. Part of this line could be above and the other part can be below the fold. So if you want, you can also lift the paper up and draw that on there and make sure that you can see it on both the top and the bottom. Okay, now let's add details to our little kid. We can add curly hair or straight hair. You can draw as crazy as you want. You could also add a hat or even glasses. So anything you want, you can change or add more things. First, let's draw ears on the side. And then we can draw the hair. I'm gonna start here and draw a zigzag line over to the side. And then I'm gonna draw the zigzags going the other way. Okay, now we're gonna draw two little lines coming up from the ear, and I'm gonna give my kid a hat. So we could draw a curve that goes over to the other side, and then we'll draw the hat on top. Draw, ooh, really tall. Right here we can draw the hat backwards. So I'm gonna draw an upside down letter U, and then the little snap on the back. Now we can also add little extra lines coming down for the details on the hat. And then let's draw the neck. And down here, we could draw two short lines coming down. Then we can draw the t-shirt and shoulders. Armpits and sleeves. You could also add more things to the t-shirt, but let's leave it just like this. And let's open up our paper and flatten out the fold so it's easier to draw on. So we have half the kid up here and half down here. We have the folding surprise inside. So everything we're gonna draw now is below this top fold and above the bottom fold. That way, when it's folded up, it's completely hidden and you can't see it. So let's first draw our food. We're gonna add pizza, but you could change this. It could be your favorite food. You could draw a burger, you could draw lots of food. It doesn't have to be one thing either. So let's draw a big circle or big oval. I'm gonna draw it huge, because our kid is gonna eat the entire pizza. We're gonna draw this big, giant oval and connect where we started. Then we can draw the crust. I'm gonna start here and we'll draw kind of a wavy line. It's gonna also be for the sauce, pizza sauce and cheese. I'm gonna follow the same oval, but a little smaller and wavy. Yeah, and then we can turn this into a pepperoni pizza, or you could leave it a cheese. Oh, let's also, I'm gonna draw one more wavy line. This is for the cheese. So we have our sauce and cheese. Now let's add the pepperonis, and you could also add sausage or pineapple if you like pineapple. I don't like pineapple. I like pineapple, but not on my pizza. I'm gonna add lots of pepperonis, drawing a bunch of ovals and kind of mixing up where they're at. You could also slice your pizza. Let's do that. We'll add one slice right down the middle. Then we can add a slice going across this way. But to make it more 3D, let's add a curve first for the curve on our pizza, where the crust kind of sticks up more. And then we can go straight across. And then the same thing for, let's do another slice going this way. So we'll draw a curve, and then we'll draw a diagonal line going across, and then another curve going over the pizza. And then we can do the same on the side. Curve, diagonal line, go right through the middle, and then a curve over the crust. Like I said, you can add more things, but I'm gonna leave it just like this. Now we can add the rest of our kid, his mouth open really big. We're gonna draw it connecting here. We're gonna imagine it going behind the pizza and then connecting down at the bottom. And then we can connect the right side. And then let's also connect the side of the mouth. So we'll start here. We'll go through the pizza, come down and connect to the bottom. Start on the right and connect down here too. All right, now let's draw teeth on our kid. We're gonna draw 2 short lines coming in on both sides. Oh, let's do the same thing down at the bottom. We can draw 2 short lines coming in. I'm gonna have this one match the same on the other side. And then we're gonna draw the teeth going up, over, and down. Then we can draw the same for the bottom, over and up. Then we can divide the teeth up. Let's draw a line down the middle, a line on each side. Then we can draw another one coming down to the corner. This one didn't quite match up. That's okay. We'll have that go there. And then we can draw coming across on this side. And let's do another one for the back teeth. And then let's do the same for the bottom. One down the middle, one on each side, then another one. I'm gonna try to line it up with that corner, and then we'll go across this way too. And then another one for the back teeth. Let's add a few more things. We can draw the letter U for his tongue, and let's also make the pizza hot. I'm gonna draw a squiggly line going up and coming back down. We could do the same over here. We could also add them down here. These are just action lines. I was trying to make them look like steam coming up from the pizza, but this just looks like it's an emergency. We need to eat it fast. All right, I went a little crazy and added even more. Now we can leave it like this, or you can add more things, but we still need to color it. This part I'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match my same coloring. And we did it. We finished drawing our kid eating a pizza. Now I have it all folded up, but this is what it looks like inside. And you can even turn this into a puppet if you want. And I hope you add a lot of color to your drawing and add extra things to the folding surprise. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.